Hello, welcome to Libra Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, friend ko yan guys. Pwede mo siyang isearch sa Facebook. Ako naman, open din po ako. I-message mo na lang yung Madam P or hashtag Libra Philippines sa Facebook. I-search mo yon, Madam P yung pinaka-name ng page. Or sa aming pinaka-Facebook, sa aming pinaka-Gmail, virgophilippines@gmail.com. Okay, may mga admin akong mag-a-assist para sa'yo. And yung aming TikTok shop, Unipri, UNIPRI. Let's start your reading. Hopefully, mag-comment kayo sa baba, guys. So, mga appreciate ko yung comment. Maraming salamat po. You do have your throne and princess. Wow. Person nakakonect mo. Shark is here. Witch and bottom of the deck is the thorns. Okay. Throne. Oh, yeah. I saw Libra. Dito. By the way, you could be, you could be a cross watcher or yung side mo Libra is nandito sa kabila. Okay? So take only what resonates or how it resonates to you. Throne. Um, I'm feeling like yung iba sa inyo, you are in a place wherein lahat ng meron ka ngayon, pinaghirapan mo yan. Also the friends, no? Bago mo sila maging tunay na kaibigan, merong mga pinagdaanan kayo na masasabing nalagpasan nyo yon. And then you're still friends. You're still there for each other. And then I can see na sila rin yung tumutulong sa'yo kung bakit nagiging mas matapang or mas malakas ka ngayon. With the shark here, nakikita natin yung person mo in the future. I feel like there's a lot of um differences. Pero yung difference ninyo, pagkakaiba ninyo is yun yung nagiging complement sa connection na ito. Complement in a way na parang match pa rin eh. Kasi for example, ganito, no? Ikaw, hindi ka mahilig magluto, yung person na to is pwedeng kahit pa paano marunong, ganyan. And or ikaw, or pwedeng siya yung mahilig, ganon. Or pwedeng ikaw, you like business and then this person, mahilig din sa business pero wala siyang enough time to do the business but you have the time. And this person, meron naman siyang money and you can be the one na mag-manage ng business. You can do that. No? So, pwedeng gano'n. Nagko-complement kayo ng person na ito. May mga differences, pero yung differences is healthy and good for the both of you. Okay? Para maging balance. The person that you're dealing with is preparing something. I feel like inaayos niya yung sarili niya. I feel like there's someone here na magta-travel to see you, or ang plano niya is when pagtapos ng travel na ito, this person, ikaw yung gusto niya makita or gagawa siya ng paraan para magkaroon ng something sa inyo in the future. And then, pwedeng wala kang idea regarding doon sa pagta-travel na iniisip nito person na to or yung paglipat, pag-move sa'yo, whatever. The thorns is here. I feel like you're dealing with someone who sees you as someone na very important. Very, hindi basta-bastahin. Like the flower. You are a flower, pero hindi ka basta flower. You are, you are a rose. 'Di ba? A lot of people likes you, katulad ng rose, 'di ba? Marami ang may gusto ng rose. Gustong makita, gustong mahawakan, or gustong makuha. No? So, a lot of people admire you pero pwedeng hanggang tingin lang sila. And then, yung person na ito, nakikita niya na ikaw yung someone na parang hindi basta-basta madaling makuha. Kailangan gumawa ng paraan. Kailangan mahirapan muna siya bago kanya makuha. So, this person is, kumbaga, pwedeng pinaprepare niya yung sarili niya. Yung as much as possible, dinadagdagan yung skills niya, talents niya, or nagiging better version ng sarili niya. Yun ay dahil gusto ka talaga niya. And part of having you is kapag mas naging maayos siya as a person. Okay? So, somehow nagiging inspiration ka na rin dito sa taong to. I can see someone making flowers or what. So, pwedeng marunong ka sa flower arrangement, or you are planning to buy a flower, or bumili ka ng flower. Something to do with flower arrangement, or pagde-decor ng flower. Emotions, what do we have here for the sign of Libra? Emotion ninyo sa isa't isa na taong ito. King of Wands, the Hermit, and the Hierophant. The Devil and the Hierophant. Oh, puro major arcana. Virgo, Capricorn, and Taurus. Wow, that's an earth sign. You could be dealing with an earth sign, or you are an earth sign, or malaki ang pagka-earth sign sa chart mo. King of Wands is also here. Seven of Cups, Two of Swords, Knight of Swords, and the King of Pentacles. May nakita ko, I don't know kung ikaw ba itong taong loaded na or full na ang capacity ng, I don't know if it's phone, yan, memory ng phone mo, pwedeng full na. This could be a reading. Or, maybe, yeah, I just saw parang, storage ng phone or storage ng any device. This could be a reading. Okay lang kahit hindi. King of Wands, I feel like, medyo nilalaban mo yung emotion mo dito sa person na to, or nilalabanan. Pero nandun yung push pa rin or ginugo pa rin. Kahit mahirap ka. Or, I mean, I feel like nakikita mo na kung anong intention ng person na to. That's why you are doing your best na parang ilaban itong connection with this person. Kasi nakikita mo na yung intention niya. Or kung ano talaga yung pagkagusto niya sa'yo. The Hermit, the Devil, and the Hierophant. I feel like you are komportable or nagiging komportable ka na dito sa person na to. The Devil is here, so pwedeng you are enjoying yourself kahit alam mong may magagalit or may mga ibang tao na hindi gusto yung or hindi pwede or hindi gusto yung connection mo with this person. And the Hierophant is here. I feel like for now, you are at peace with yourself, with the person, with the connections around you. Hindi ako nakakita ng conflict. Mas nakikita ko at peace ka with a lot of people. Parang kalmado lang. You do have here the Seven of Cups. Person na nakakonect mo. I feel like itong person na to gusto kanyang tulungan. Emotion niya para sa'yo is Two of Swords is here. And the King of... Gusto kanyang maging kanya. Gusto niyang mapasa kanya ka. Knight of Swords and the Two of Swords. Parang part of this person, nagmamadali siya regarding some kind of decision. Or gusto niya mag-decision ka na. Parang ganun. Kasi marami na siyang plano sa'yo. Pero parang yung plano is laging may hangganan or may borderline. Parang hindi maipush si plano, hindi masabi si plano, hindi magawa si plano. Kasi parang laging kailangan niya pigilan yung sarili niya kung hanggang saan lang. pero gusto ka niyang mapasa kanya. What will happen in the... I don't know why, pero you might be dealing with someone na pwedeng nilalagyan mo ng borderline yung connection ninyo or hindi. Kumbaga, maybe if we're friends, we're just friends, you know. Pero pwedeng na dun yung realidad na parang alam mo gusto ka ng tao and then part of you is alam mo rin namang gusto mo yung tao. Diba? Pero may borderline. So what will happen in the near future for the both of you? In the near future, you do have here the Ten of Swords, the World, and the Six of Cups. The Ace of Pentacles, the Justice card, and the Four of Swords. Why is the Four of Swords here? Judgment, Page of Swords, and the Lovers. Why? I mean, I can see an ending in the near future. The World and the Ten of Swords. Nagpapakita ito as completion. Six of Cups regarding the past. Justice card. I don't know if you're married or if someone here is married or kasal or in a relationship na medyo matibay yung relasyon. Pero I can see a possible ending of that. Masakit, malungkot. But sometimes judgment is here. May mga bagay na kailangan nang i-let go because nakuha mo na yung mga dapat mong makuha, yung lessons, experiences na dapat mong makuha dyan sa taong yan. And the Page of Swords is here. So, the Lovers and the Page of Swords, this showing to me na you will not go, single for long. So, kung may matagal na, kung may relasyon, kasal, or pagsasama na matatapos, there's a possibility na meron naman agad-agad na papalit with the Page of Swords. And then, I can see a lot of jealousy from the past. Pagsaselos. Magsaselos kasi makikita niya that you found someone na mas better para sa kanya or mas better sa kanya, or kung hindi ikaw yon sa side ng person na makakakonect mo in the near future, which is could be a new person na parang masasabi nito person na to. Masasabi ng person or people na kakonect niya in the past na parang alam nila sa sarili nila na mas better ka kaysa sa kanila. So, may pagsiselos doon. A lot of pain. Six of Pentacles is here. So, minsan, kailangan mong tumalon or mag-let go of something kasi mas maganda pa pala yung babagsakan mo. Parang ganun. So, maybe, if there's a relationship connection na i-end, mas maganda yung susunod na person for you or mas mapupunta ka sa tamang tao once na gawain mo yon. So, I feel like you need to let go. Diba? So, anyway, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.